Wagwan people, you don't know so the Yaadman sports in a minute. The baddest Jamaican sports recap show up on the planet. You have to ask Christ, you see me? Alright, so now represent for a thing called Baddis in a Paris. Because we are Jamaican and nobody not bad like we. And you don't know so this is the rhyming recap show for those who know, those who never know, and those who just a catch up. That means you're just a little bit slow. But at least you're there. So alright, the Olympics officially start, but hold on there. Let me grab my notes, because I don't want to chat no fast. So it's the first recap, opening ceremony. So as you could see, I be a water day in Paris, though. So then tell the athlete them pan a little boat ride. And of course, Jamaica stand out in our goal, so you don't know so we can't hide. But hold on there. You realize they give big Jamaica only about 20 seconds. But stick a pink, come here to ask a question. The Jamaican not tired. Did Puma drop the ball? Or was it fire? One thing we noticed though, rain did a fall. So the athlete them have to wrap up in a plastic bag like when they sell Air Force on an arcade or in a pavilion mall. But apart from that, the boat ride did alright. Opening ceremony, you know. So reaching at the stadium and that's where the confusion start. And when for me alone, I'll be just done and dark. But me not like, what that people? Foolishness. Especially when you reach the drag queen part. The part that pinch me nerves and hurt me heart. Kind of Yaadman sports thing that. And not we think that. But anyway, we now drag this out. The opening ceremony, foolishness that. Still confused and shocked. But forget about that. Because our first athlete, Ashley McKenzie, kick out in the judo. I will feel like Sir Writer, so we have a first medal, numero uno. But I not lie, him do well, but he never make it past the round of 16. But you see before that, the man recorded pristine. But yo, big up yourself, Ashley McKenzie. Your status large right now, my youth. That the price code him like a den be. But people like that, Baddis in a Paris, are the first recap. I will read the comment section for the feedback. I'm out.